Hey, welcome back to another video from WEBA. Today we are going to talk about 5 tricks to save battery on your smartwatch and make it last a little bit longer. Let's be real, Chinese smartwatches usually have pretty bad battery life, right? Most of them barely last a full day, and that gets annoying. You always have to charge them again and again and again. So in today's video, I'm going to show you these 5 tricks. Let's jump into the video. Trick 1. Lower the screen brightness. First of all, let's lower the screen brightness. If your watch lets you do that. Some Chinese watches don't have this option, but if yours does, go ahead and reduce the brightness. For example, on the HK9 Ultra Golden Edition, go to More, and right there you will find the screen brightness settings. Lowering it will already help you save more battery. Trick 2. Turn off unnecessary notifications. Next, you can turn off notifications you don't really need, like the music, Bluetooth notification. You can disable it completely, and your watch will start consuming less battery. Trick 3. Use power saving mode or some alternatives. You can also use power saving mode if your watch has it. Some smartwatches don't come with this feature. For example, this one doesn't. So what I recommend instead is turning on airplane mode and do not disturb mode. Turn both of these on. By doing that, and along with the previous tips, you are also disabling GPS and Bluetooth, so you will definitely save more battery. Trick 4. Charge your watch while it's turned off. Another great tip is to charge your watch while it's turned off. That way it's charged more efficiently and helps optimize the battery life. Trick 5. Adjust screen timeout and disable the screen saver. You can also go into settings and turn off the screen saver. Set how long the screen stays on. And here it is, screen timeout. I can set mine to 5 seconds. No more screen saver, just a black plain screen. And that helps save even more battery. And that's it. I really hope these tips helps you out. Remember, drop a like, leave a comment, share this video if you find it useful. That's all for today. Take care and see you the next time. Bye bye.